In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Google Play. This is a quick and useful setup that makes it easier to buy apps, games, movies, books, subscriptions, and other digital content directly from the Play Store. If you've never done this before, don't worry. The process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for purchases, since the payment method will be added to that account. Once you're inside the Play Store, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can manage a variety of settings related to Google Play, including purchases, subscriptions, and payment options. From that menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section where Google groups together everything related to billing and purchases. After that, tap Payment Methods to continue. You'll now be taken to the area where you can view any existing payment methods and add a new one. At this point, choose the payment method you want to add. The exact options you see may vary depending on your country, device, or Google account settings, but Google Play will show you the available choices for your account. After selecting the option you want, simply follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details and save them. As you do this, take a moment to review the information carefully before confirming. That helps avoid errors later if you plan to make purchases or subscribe to services through Google Play. If Google asks you to verify any details, just complete that process as prompted on your screen. And that's it. Once the payment method is saved successfully, it will be available for future purchases through Google Play. This can save you time the next time you download paid content or sign up for a subscription because your billing information will already be set up. If you're managing more than one payment option, you can always return to the same payment method section later to update, remove, or change your default method. But for now, you've successfully added a payment method to your Google Play account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything set up quickly and smoothly.